Today, I'm going to give you 4 smart tips for your next retail display. Now, this video is brought to you by Bennett. Bennett is a custom packaging and retail display manufacturer in Kansas City, Missouri, with high-speed digital printing, creative services, on-site testing, and turnkey solutions like contract packaging, packaging supplies, and more. Check out our site to learn more. All right, so 4 smart tips for retail displays. Let's dig into this. Number 1, making a complex display is not always a good idea, especially if it needs to be assembled. If you have a complex display, consider shipping it fully kitted or simplify the design and include assembly instructions. The worst thing you can have is an incorrectly assembled display or one that is damaged at retail. Number 2, utilize your space. Some areas of the display are best for large images and fonts, while others are best for smaller ones. Think about what you want your customer to see at various distances. What will draw them in? Think of those key phases when they're very far away from the display, as they get closer, and then when they're interacting with your product. What benefits do you need to call out at each stage? Number 3, brand experience. Think about your entire campaign. Taking an approach that encompasses a customer's entire environment has created some of the most exciting campaigns of the last decade. And don't forget to tie into your current digital marketing. The more you can have a branded experience for a customer, the more they're going to come back for more products. Number 4, reusability. Every display will have a different lifespan. Incorporate a design that allows you to modulate the display instead of replacing it. This is a great way to cut down costs when you're refreshing your look. And to recap these 4 smart tips I wanted to give you about retail displays, think about an easy display assembly or ship it fully kitted if it's very complex. Utilize your space on the display wisely for your product messaging and callouts. Create a branded experience. Think 360, digital, in-store, and with the display. And reusability. Think about a display that you can swap out a header on or modulate the design in some way to keep your look fresh at retail, but not have to replace the entire display. All right, now be sure to click subscribe because we're going to be uploading a new video every single week. This is information you do not want to miss. Thank you very much. Bennett, where imagination meets corrugation.